get one life. We only get one life. We only get one life. We only get one life. Let's live it up. We only get one life. We only get one life like this. We only get one life. We only get one life like this. Let's live it up. Let's live it up. Clap your hands. We only get one life. We only get one life. We only get one life. Let's live it up. We only get one life. We only get one life like this. We only get one life. We only get one life. Let's live it up. We only get one life. We only get one life like this. Life, 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 we only get one life like this. Like this. Let's live it up. Let's live it up. Clap your hands. We only get one life. 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 Let's live it up. We only get one life. We only get one life like this. We only get one life. Life, 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 life. We only get one life like this. Like this. Let's live it up. Let's live it up. Clap your hands.
Alright guys, so welcome to Amogha Sandur Project AW ideation phase. So just to give you a brief context of what happened. So I'm doing a small project of my own, a coding project where I'm kind of doing multiple roles here. For example, I'm the user, I'm also the UI designer, I'm also the coder or developer for this project, as well as the project manager. So I'm supposed to understand how things are working. So my dad gave me a challenge. I'm supposed to do a research kind of thing. So what I'm supposed to do is based on what are the requirements and how the projects are going to be like, I am supposed to make a project management checklist kind of a thing. So this will help me in analyzing where I should understand exactly where I should learn and then what should I do adequately. So here's Project AW ideation phase. So yeah, just play music in the background if you're okay with that.
The wolf she cries at night. Breath and born in the black wind where the shadows lie.
Just making sure that my voice is also visible. So yeah. So what is Project AW exactly? So it's like so here's what I have. Project AW. Yeah, here it is. So essentially, I'll just copy these features. Yeah, okay. So we'll do it from first. I think the music is a lot more distracting than I initially assumed. So, anyways, no worries. So, here are my ideas. But before my ideas, I would like to understand something from Gemini. So, I just basically did some basic query search from Gemini. So, here's what I did. So, I was like, I'm trying to create a small project involving HTML, CSS, and some libraries of JavaScript, as well as some version control, which will give me so many other uh, things. And along with this, not just the guy who's the developer, I want to think from the designer's perspective and the things from the user's perspective, as well as the things from content manager's perspective. So I'm the project manager and I'm trying to create a movie watch list website for every movie I have watched so far. So every movie, web series, cartoon, anime, and all of that, whatever I've done. I'm not really that much of an anime watcher, but yeah, whatever I've watched, for that, I believe I can make something like that. So yeah, that is what I say. So hi Varun, welcome to the stream. So yeah, cartoon and alongside that, I expect myself to have all the important details for the title of the movie. For example, what exactly do I need for the project? Are you able to see me? Why is there issue with this? Yeah, this is fine, I guess. So, what do I want to do in this project? So, what are the essential features I think in this project are like one thing is like essential features. We'll write essential features. So, in essential features, I would love to have some okay. So, one second. Uh, Well, guys, can I just move to Notion? There will be easy for me to create new thing. Yeah, here you go. So, project, project, AW, ideation. Okay, so in this project, it's first of all a lot of perspectives from the user perspective, designer perspective, content manager perspective, and also the project manager perspective. So at this point, I'm kind of like in the business development side slash project management side. I'm trying to check what is feasible for me or what are all the ideas that I can generate. Like maybe you can call it like a designing phase basically. So I'll not exactly be designing the website in Figma as you think, but I'll just be having a rough idea, ki what do I exactly need in this website. So okay, one second, I'll just make this full width. Yeah, okay. So what do we have for this website? So essential features. For the essential features, here are some essential features. So if I should be able to have the names of the movie, all right. there will be name of the movie, um, year the movie was released. This is also one important metric. Then the actors, obviously, the actors slash actress in the movie. Now I can't have all the actors, but maybe like three or four actors. I'll say up to three to four, or maybe three to five main actors, main crew. Okay, so this is what is from the actor or actress of the movie. The movie was, yeah, okay. Then what can I have apart from this? I can kind of have the like the posters of the movie, posters of the movie. Then in the posters, I have the square format, the regular format, regular slash rectangle slash square formats. The formats. Alright. So this is the poster. I'll have the regular rectangle square formats of the movie. Poster of the movie. Then I can have the trailer of the movie. Trailers, trailer slash teasers. Okay, let me make this as a separate section. Teaser of the movie. Dude, why is my power bank not working? Okay, now I expect it to work. Here it is. Okay, so I expect myself to have the teaser of the movie. One second. Yeah, so I'll have the teaser of the movie as well as the trailer of the movie. Essential, instead of calling this as essential features, I'll call essential details. You know, then I'll say essential or just features, I would say features. So in features, what do I expect myself to have in the features part? In the features, will be like command shift. One second. Yeah, command option, command option. Wait, why did I just forget? Okay, it's just yeah. Okay. So in features, people will just be able to search for the movie. So there's going to be a search bar. In that search bar, I want people to, one second, guys, just give me 1 second. Just configure my phone default.
Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. So this is better, I guess. Anyway, so in the search bar, there's going to be a search bar in which for the function of the search bar, um, the function of the search bar is that I can search movies by year, by name, by year, by actor slash actress, and yeah, I think this would be it for now. Essential detail about user, trailer, poster, actor, name. Let me take IMDb for example. This is the best thing I believe I have. So I have IMDb. IMDb, yeah. So if I go to IMDb, so this is some random movie I want to choose. Okay, so where is the final destination? So what do I want from this? In IMDb, they have the option for me to view the name of the title of the movie. Then there is the year the movie was launched. And what is it? 15, I think it's 18, I guess. It is 16. Okay, the different years people can watch it in. Anyways, not really required. So what I see is like, okay, the moment people open up a movie, the trailer starts playing. So this is not what I expect. Instead, what I'm going to have is like the studio is going to, let's take YouTube as example. So essentially, when you hover over a video, it starts playing. If you hover over a video, it starts playing. Whatever do I see as a subtitle, volume, the duration of the video. Okay? So these are something I want to do. Okay. So we'll just get this feature as ideas once again. Let me just click on this. Okay. And, yeah, I think this should be good enough for now. And the first feature, the function is going to be search movie by name, year, actor, and actress. Okay. Then what are all the features? So there's going to be an iCard, or there will just be a card slash do slash card. In this, I want to basically work on. So there's the movie column that they have it, right? They have this movie column. Um, it's going to be row and column of movies. Yeah, I just one more website I have for the restaurant. One NSC website. So NSC Vadira is a website that was written in our college by a few people in our campus. So they made this website. Part of my website. So they have a search by option. Right? So just a name or topic. And there's this thing. Okay. There's going to be filters by the way. So in search, there's going to be filters. Search movies by something is search movies slash web series slash cartoon slash anime web series or TV shows. TV shows. Okay? Now, what about the filters? I can add this as filters, you know. So in filters, I can have by name. I can have it by name. So there is this. One second. Let me just make this open. Okay. So in this, so there is they can search very different subjects or sources, right? So similarly, what I'm going to have is it by name of the movie, or by the year, or by actor slash actor, and then yeah, I think this should be fine. They'll be able to search by year. There's going to be search filter. It's going to be years. Like they can select which year they want to watch it from. Yes. So that's another feature I would love to have. And then the actor or actress. Okay. And it is going to be a card. So my inspiration for the card is this one. It is going to be a movie poster, the name of the movie, and the year of the movie that was launched. Okay. Alongside. By the way, I can also add time slash duration of the movie. Movie. Okay. So let's go to so IMDb. I just put my own document. This is my document. Here is a list of movies, you know, that I want to watch. Or sorry, that I have watched. Movies, web series. I included anime in this one. Okay. So there's these movies. What I have currently is the name. And here is a function. So here, what I can do is I have the name, the year it was launched along with the duration. So in card, I'm going to have the poster of the movie, okay, and there's going to be the name of the movie. Obviously, there's going to be the name of the movie. There's going to be the name of the movie. There's going to be the year release or I think the running time running. Yeah. Thank you, Anugrah, bro. Thank you. I'll keep up. Thank you. So the time slash duration, duration of the movie. So there's this thing, right? 1 hour 30 minutes. So I can say the duration of the movie, and there's going to be a year release. And in the div card, you can also have it as like a favorite button. But I don't really have this idea that people are going to. I mean, it's more for me. So if I say project AW, by the way, what AW is it means is like one second. Project AW. AW means Amogha Shortlist in simplest terms. So this is where what's the key details description. Description is like all collection of Amogha. That is me. My movies that I watched, the TV shows, plus web series I watched, and there's some cartoon I watched, cartoon, and then there is some anime, right? There's some anime. I mean, I don't really think anime. There's some books also, I guess. Books I've read. But at this point, my focus is movies. So I'll just say, essentially, it is movie. Okay. Mm-mm. Because yes, yes. So I'm going to be, how is it going to look like? Um, how will it look like? There's going to be I'll have something called pages. There's going to be one page maybe home page, and there is movie page, there is TV shows. I don't know which is popular. What do they call it? TV shows. Let's see what IMDb calls it as. Maybe TV shows. So it calls it as TV shows. If I go to watch on TV topic, okay. Mm, okay. So they call it as TV shows only. Is it TV show or is it okay? These are TV shows. Episodes, right? Okay. TV series. So if I search for some TV series, maybe like soft TV series. What is it? Okay, it's called TV series only. That's best. We call it TV series slash web series. What is it? TV series. Okay. Some place they call it as TV series, TV show. So let's just use IMDb. So TV shows search web series, and there's going to be books. Okay. Now, currently, my focus is on movies. These are all the pages: home, movies, TV series, web, and then yeah, okay. There's going to be footer section. In the footer section, I expect to have all my social links. What are there in my social links? So there's going to be my LinkedIn, LinkedIn profile, YouTube channel, Instagram. You know the deal. You know, and there is Twitter, Blazers, Twitter, Threads, Threads, this no हमारे पास LinkedIn. Yeah, and then there's going to be a contact me option in there itself. Disclaimer. I have to put disclaimer. Disclaimer. Uh, the the concept what I can put. Disclaimer is more about mm, content guidelines. Guidelines is privacy policy, and it's going to be terms of service, terms of service. What is the disclaimer? Wherein copyright section 2. They have this like copy. So the users don't have it. Mm, okay, so they have a section. This is what I was talking about. So you see here, there's going to be something like okay, home. Maybe you can put home or home. I would say Amogha watch list, and I'll put home in the backend. Okay? So this is going to be Amogha's watch list, and then there is movies, TV shows, books. Movies, TV shows, books, or maybe you can use maybe you can arrange this in order: books, movies, TV shows. Anyway, it's more of a movies of this one. So movies, TV shows, books, and okay. Let me just confirm, guys, if everything is good. Mm,
Looks like there is some issue with my headphone. So instead now I've changed the microphone to my MacBook's microphone. So let's see if that is good enough. Let me just confirm one more time. Perfect, perfect. Now that I've changed my voice to my MacBook, this is better now. Okay, so now that I switched it to my MacBook, let's see what I need to know. Okay, now that I switched it to my MacBook, okay, let's get back. What was I saying? Copyright info. Copyrights info. Copyright info. I think this is just the one. Okay, copyright info slash disclaimer. Okay, content guidelines. As well. Yeah, right. Okay. From movies to the website. Then immediately in the in between, I think I can put the search bar here in between. So movies type show. They have this search bar here. Wait. So if I check, this is their assignment page. What happened? Okay. Is there some issue with my internet? Okay, no worries. So they have this search bar here. I would love to have one search bar here, here. So kind of similar to IMDb or YouTube. I see in multiple platforms they have this search bar here. So I believe that's a really good option. So in between, there's going to be search bar. Search bar in between. There's going to be a search bar in between. Is going in the wait. What I'm going to do here is command X. Okay. So in between, then there's going to be extreme, extreme, and then there's going to be left extreme, left extreme. Okay, so there's going to be one, two, three. There's going to be three pages, and there's not a page in between, not a page. Okay, in home page itself, there's going to be a search bar. In the home page, there's going to be a search bar similar to what these guys have, and here also there's a search bar. They can have these things advanced. Anyways, so there's search bar. So even in Google, by the way, if we go to Google dot com, yeah, if I go to google.com, there is a search by lens, search by voice. So I I think in my search bar I can put voice too. So there's going to be first thing is in search bar. How will it look like? So there's going to be search icon, okay, and then there's going to be a text which has a text which actually there's going to be voice slash mic icon text. In the text I'll be writing it as search by search by name, year or yeah, search by name, year, actor, actress, it is. Yeah, okay, fine. Actor slash actress, actor, actress. Okay. Search icon. There's going to be a search icon. Okay. Text, which if I just one second, let me just reload it. Okay, it's not working. So there's going to be a search icon. There's voice search by voice and a search by image. Okay. This is going to have the search in the search, and then the same things are going to repeat. If I just copy and paste it here, yeah, the see in between. This is not a page. Wait, the home page is just going to be this. Also, the search bar, and then there's going to be filters. Filters. Um, wait. I just forgot. In search, I'm going to be search movie, movie, TV shows. Okay, it's going to be movie, TV shows, or what else do I have? Movie, TV shows, books. Okay, search movie, movies, TV shows, books, and then in the filters, there's going to be no filters here in the search bar. You see here. YouTube doesn't really have it. The same is the case with the Google Docs, I guess. Docs.google.com. So there's another search thing here. There's search here. um, YouTube also doesn't have it. Then there is IMDb. They have this filter, but I'm not sure. Let's see. So if it's a filters, not quite sure about this of filters. But in this case, here in between, uh, wait. Yeah, here there's going to be filter. Yeah. X filters, filter, and then there's going to be yeah, filters are going to be here. Filters in this case, filters are sure. Here I'm gonna say filters are not quite sure. Okay, in between is this part, and then there's this home page. If you go to Wikipedia main page, Wikipedia, just go to Wikipedia. Yeah, so they have this option right in the center that you can choose a language and all of that. So similarly, I'm going to have the search filter here. It's this is the home page, how it will be looking like. Okay, done. Home page. I guess we are done with that. Mm, okay. Let me just confirm if my voice is good. Okay, okay. I see my voice is good, perfect. It's upon changing my microphone from my headphones to my MacBook microphone, it's now good. एक काम करते हैं, I'll just turn off Bluetooth, you know. Yeah, I've turned off my Bluetooth now. No more issues. Okay. Movies slash search movies. Mm, Search titles. Yeah, okay. And here's a search movies, TV shows, books. Yeah. Now I want you to see this. So in this page, there's going to be search question by name, right? So there I'll have in the home page I'm going to have movies, TV shows, and books. This page. But once they get to this page, you know, like individual pages, they get to this movie, TV shows, books pages. There, I don't want them to have the same thing, search movies, TV shows, right? So instead, I'm going to have this one only, search titles by name, actress, and all. So it's going to be the same one by everywhere, but it'll anyway include all the search results of movies, web series, TV shows, books, and all that. Okay, so in between page we're done with that. Then search bar. Where is the search bar? Yeah, I've sorted this one. Features. You know what? I'm going to take this out. I can actually take this out. Okay, here we have it. Not features. How it's going to look like. Design. Okay, this is the design. This is the essential details. Right, design essential details. Okay, footer section. How it's going to look like. And each card, div slash card, v card. Okay, right text I'm going to have that. Then now, okay. So when I hover on now, if I go to here, actions on hover. Okay. So when I hover on a movie title, upon hovering on a movie title, it's going to scale up by scale up by certain percent slash values. It's going to scale up by certain values, and then it's going to show slash start a slideshow of the movie posters that I have collected. Okay, so they're going to show the moment I hover over an action card. So if I hover over this, nothing's happening here. In case of YouTube, if I hover over something, suppose I hover over this, the video starts playing, right? So similarly, when I hover over a video, it's going hover over a movie poster, it's going to start um a slideshow. Hi Vijay Bhaiya, thank you so much. So when I hover over a movie card, it's going to scale up a certain percent and start a slideshow of the movie poster I have collected. Now, one more, there's another kind of action, right? Actions upon click. Okay. In actions upon click, in actions what they do, in case of Netflix, primarily Netflix. So when you click on a card, it opens a pop-up and then the trailer or something starts playing, right? So similarly, when someone clicks, there's one second. So there's going to be a pop-up. There's going to be a of pop-up of the title clicked, slash card clicked. Going to be a title of action card clicked, and then the trailer or teasers start playing. There's going to be a trailer or the teaser start playing in the background while and what are these trailer? How am I going to get this trailer? So I'm going to get this trailer from either YouTube as an iframe. They embed the code, right? When you go to a YouTube video, suppose you have this video. Now I want to share this. So if I share this, there is this option of embed, right? So I just have to use this. There's some other things also. Okay, so I'm going to embed this as an iframe. YouTube uh, you teaser embedded from YouTube as an iframe, and then that starts playing in the background. It starts playing in the background. Okay. For another video, the next one is a video coming tomorrow, Friday. This another reaction video we'll be putting, so that will go on Friday. Okay, so the trailer or teaser, that iframe is going to start playing in the background, and what will I do? What do I expect in that? Okay, then that will be playing in the background. I want the title is also going to be a close button. Title of the movie length, length of the movie, length slash duration of the movie, and there's going to be year of the movie released released. Then I want the posters of the movie, poster of the movie. Then I want the all the videos, all the videos slash their embeddings, embeddings. I want their embeddings, all the videos and their embeddings in a section. For example, if I have the posters, there are different types. I thought there is the regular one. Let me show you exactly what I meant by that. So yeah, so there these are the regular ones here. The regular pictures I just can show like this. Then there is other kind of thing, the rectangle ones. These are the rectangle ones. And then there's another kind of thing, the square ones. This, for example, the square one. So that is what I meant by rectangle and square. So rectangle, there's going to be regular, rectangle, regular. I have coded it normal, normal slash rectangle. There's going to be regular one, and then there's going to be a square one. Okay. So this is what I will have, and in the videos, I can videos. Okay, poster of the movie, uh, trailers, and teasers. So here I can have the video and their embeddings, kind of like a slideshow again, I guess. And then here the title length. Well, let me go to IMDb. This is IMDb. So there are these tags, I don't know how to do this yet. Maybe I can have this as a extra feature. add-on slash future features. So here they should be able to genre of the movie. So here again in the filter they can search the titles by name and also genre of the movie filters in. Okay, I just forgot in the where is that? Yeah, here in the filters there should be an option to search by um name, sort by name, name like alphabetical order, alphabetical. Okay, no, this is sorting filter slash sort, I'll call it. No, filters sort by. You put this in a bracket. Slash sort by. So they should be able to sort by name, ascending, descending, sort by sending slash descending. It is perfect. Yeah, okay. Ascending slash descending. So there's going to be name, alphabetical order. Then there's going to be if they should be able to search by year. In year, if possible, what are the possible ways? Exact year or exact year, or we can have between time frames. There's going to be genre, and in the genre example crime, horror, romantic, I guess. And then there should be what did I say here? There's going to be name, year, actor, actress, act, actor slash actress. Okay, actor slash actress. I think genre is really an important thing. Name, year, actor slash actress. Okay, no worries. So this is what I'm going to have, and then in the movie card there's going to be info. So in Amazon there's this option, where if I search for a product, for example, iPhone 12, if I search for this, there is this in previously viewed or this thing, right? Amazon Essential, Amazon's preferred or something like that. Correct, finding it phones under 20K. If I say Amazon's choice, they have this thing essential Amazon's choice or something like that. So I want to have that special info where I can have this like previously viewed, previously viewed, future. This is also kind of like future only because at this point I don't really know how to do that. So I'm going to have previously viewed or wait, not that. I'm going to have this one. Why is Amogha's favorite? Just going to be Amogha's favorite, and then previously viewed if possible. Okay, that is should be the good feature. Okay, everything's working. It's going to be Amogha's favorite previously viewed. Maybe new slash recently watched. Do Guys, I want to hear your opinions. You can give me some ideas. Do suggest me your ideas. Okay, so second. Hmm. So there's recently what uh, news has recently watched. Okay, maybe like there's going to be a section. Oh, all right. In the home section, I can say in the home section there's going to be search bar. This is primary. Then in the future features, future. In the future, I would love to add Amogha's favorites. There's going to be Amogha's favorite, Amogha's new slash recent watched. Where is it? Yeah, Amogha's new slash recently watched. And then what else do we have? Previously, no, not previously, we definitely. I mean, in Amazon, if I check, there is an option which says inspired by your browsing history. It shows these things, your browsing history. I don't want to do that actually. So yeah, I'll just leave it there. I don't want to track. I mean, I simply don't know how to do that. I have to learn the algorithm of how I can track. Okay, there is one nice feature, this is a really nice feature. What I think of it is like, suppose there's some movie. This all collection of homos. Yeah, you see here. Now, if I don't have a movie which, like, this website doesn't have a movie which I have watched. For example, there is this movie called Final Destination Bloodlines, for example. Now, I haven't watched it, and but they want to get info about it. So in Notion there is this option that there is an AI, it pops up like this, and then all sources and all of this. So similarly, what I would like to do is put AI just before one second. So there's going to be AI, and I'm going to maybe call it as AWAI or whatever. Just AI is fine, dude. And then there's going to be an API. There's going to be a search by input option or pre-built pre pre-built responses. For example, what is Amogha's favorite? So I had to provide it some database. And this one I guess I'll put it as a future. AI will be a future feature. It's going to be a feature search by input responses pre-built responses. What is Amogha's favorite? What did Amogha watch? Amogha watch recently. What did Amogha watch recently? That can also be a question. Pre-built responses. So this is going to be a AI whole. Mm, yeah, I guess that is the AI's thing. Mm, yeah. So this AI is what will it has is like is a maybe like a general purpose LLM. So like it should be able to answer any question basically. Answer any question, but I have to fine train it. Train this is yeah. dude, I forgot this page. Train. Okay, okay, train. It's perfect. So I have to find train it to my find not find train. I think it's called fine tune. Yeah, find it to my website by providing data base and all that. Okay. Mm. Mm. Yeah, there's going to be teasers. Instructor design. This itself is a feature. Ah, I forgot. Text tag. This is the most important one, literally. Before this, I can't really do anything. Mm. Yeah, yeah. Basic structure. This is the basic structure. This is the basic structure. Then action upon hold, action upon click is there. Then there is text tag. So in text tag, what exactly I'm going to be using is going to be HTML, there's going to be CSS, there's going to be JavaScript, JavaScript, and then these are the primary things. Then there's going to be Git and GitHub, then maybe a little bit of Figma. Not maybe, I guess Figma, I want to use Figma. And then, yeah, I think this is what I Git and GitHub. Then in this JavaScript and its libraries. Then there is this thing called Firebase integration, Firebase, Google Firebase, yeah. So, for authentication, yeah. So I would want to use Firebase. So Firebase is going to be there. Why Firebase? Okay, let me tell you. So then Firebase. Why? Okay, JavaScript and its library. Example, there's going to be React, then MongoDB for MongoDB for database slash queries. Firebase, why Firebase is because why is because I don't want to do this job. Let me just dictate it. I don't want to do the job of why is it not working? Okay, so I don't want to do the job of embedding all the images and all of the content data right from the code. So instead, I want to be able to log into the portal, my website, and then add content like how I do for Instagram or YouTube. I just upload content, right? So I just want to be able to do that. To the website and then all Firebase. Firebase. Firebase is there. Then there's going to be AI API keys. API is what I'm going to need. Is like I personally love Gemini, dude. Gemini because it's from Google. First thing, it's from Google. It's like a thing. If it's built by Google, I kind of love Google products, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Keep, Google Gemini, YouTube, and all. And then because Google products have their personalization, I would love that personalization across my products. So Gemini has this mode, if I go to Gemini, it has this option of personalization preview. So yeah, this is really a good thing for me. So yeah, git and then deployment for deployment, uh, netlify slash versal slash other others for deployment, Figma for designing code. These are all of this will come under coding stack. Git and GitHub for version control and updating the files, updating the files every day slash pushing the files. Mhm. Where is Gemini slash chat GPT? Chat GPT. What else do we have? Llama, Llama slash others, I guess. API. Okay. Llama or others. DB. I'm not sure of which library to use because I don't know yet. I'm still learning JavaScript. I just have started. I know all the loops. I need to move on to DOM and what are they called? The React library, the fetch API, all those things, the important things of JS. I don't know that yet. So that will be another thing. Uh, Is going to be I think this is what we need for the website. Yeah, other features, design slash features, basic structure, access text. Mm, I'm going to be using GitHub Copilot for faster code development. AIs and AIs and GitHub Copilot for faster code development. Netlify Versal. What is Figma? In the footer section, there's going to be an option of login slash logout, right? So, uh, for for slash dev slash managers, so they'll be able to update content library libraries for dev slash managers. Update content libraries. Yeah, this is another thing that we can try. Mm. I'm very much sleepy, guys, literally. Mhm. One important thing I forgot is that in the yeah here in the trailer title, okay, there's going to be reviews. There's going to be sources again first. First is there's going to be sources section. So I have mostly used like images from okay images images content from IMDb. This IMDb Rotten tomatoes. Then there is Wikipedia too. Wikipedia others. Ah, YouTube. YouTube. What is this? Trailer yes, teasers from YouTube slash IMDb, YouTube, others. I'll just say others because I don't know. This is another thing I wanna do. What else do you think I can put in this? Let me just check Google. Here I was researching on how to do the project management perspective. I forgot. I need to have it. Design slash features. Basically, I need to have it for responsive misc. Misc, I can say. In this is going to light slash dark mode themes. Okay, maybe there's going to be language. No, I don't want to put language thing now. Slash dark mode theme. What was I adding? What did I think of? Let's see. Actually, what like? Okay, this copies my link. I thought it's going to give me some embed option or something. No, streaming. Where is it streaming on? So if I go to actions on click, it should also tell me where to watch. Where to watch. Actions on hover. Select status. Let's of movie posters collected along with the left and right controls. Here, let me start playing in the background. That's amazing. Aha, yeah. Now there's going to be card action upon click. Everything in a card. Everything in a pop-up. Pop-up. Now the pop-up contains a left and right slider. So it can move different sliders. So it can move from move next or previous movies. It that can move next or previous movies. And then what else? Close pop-up. Close pop-up. Now in the video, the trailer slash teaser. Playing the background. So is in here I had to give them option of PIP, picture in picture mode button, and then audio mute button. There's going to be an audio mute button. Let's just stay. I don't think I should put time and duration here. Mostly I'll not put mostly I'll not put a time because it'll become too cluttered, you know. But once I just hover over it, there I'll put the year and duration, have bigger title, year duration, or else I'll just show the poster name. Year also not required, I guess. Let's see. Year. Then there's going to be tags of the movies, tag slash genre of the movie. This is also future. Clickable, clickable tag slash genre of the movie. The future tag. Inspiration, inspirations. First of all, there is YouTube, dude. YouTube, Netflix. There's Netflix, and Google has this idea of suppose if I wanna watch this. No, one second. If I just click on this, okay, it tells me the language. डांस करके बता दे. अरे नहीं यार, क्या बोल रहे हो कुछ भी. Mm, 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 mm. Ah, I just got an idea. So here I can also put, you know, uh, YouTube, Netflix, and there is NST buddy.tech for some part. This one, yeah, NST buddy.tech for some part. Then what else was there? Was inspiration? IMDb, yeah, IMDb. IMDb is one of the inspiration. Wait, if I go and visit Geo Hotstar, Geo Hotstar. Okay, it has this thing of. Okay, yeah, this is what I was talking about. This volume button, it keeps playing in the background, but not like this. I feel this doesn't really give it that premium vibe. You see here, there's just a movie poster here. If they hover over it, they have this option a little bit bigger preview of that. There's a watch add to list or something like that. You click on it, yeah, there's another big pop-up here which tells more like this trailers and all. So in my future, when I say action on click, it's going to okay, wait, I'll just close this, dude. Or else I'll get copyright strike. So this is going to be close pop-up. Now in alongside close pop-up, there's going to be more like this section, more like this section. I forgot. Now in here, audio PIP mode, audio mute button. There's also going to be a full screen button. That is very important. Full screen. they watch the trailer or whatever video in full screen. So essentially, there's going to be three buttons, but I'm not sure how will it look. Wait, let's check. These are the scroll levels. Oh my god, I could just download it like that. Okay. How are they? Oh yeah, I forgot. When certain action upon click, the clicked card will have a outline, outline, small slash thin outline. This will have a thin outline around the color palette. Palette. I am the one other inspiration. What else can I add? Okay, yeah, there is this rating also, right? Adult or something like that. What is it? Okay, so add to like that. Categories. Okay, this I can't, I guess. So if I go to move this, shows it like this. And if I show TV, dude, it shows it in the same way. Okay, I can have one more section here. Watch animes. Not really animes, dude. I'm not into animes. I just watched one. I think this should be good enough name. Year, actor slash actress, posters, teaser, trailer. Actor slash actress is the future scope. This also in the future. Future. Action upon click in here. Um, the video plays right. There's going to be thing in the background. You alongside the background of the pop-up will darken, maybe with moody lights from the video playing 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 across the pop-up card. I don't get the background of the pop-up card similar to YouTube. So YouTube has this feature, right? They have the background dimming. Suppose I play this video. Yeah, there is this moody light, this ambient lighting effect. I really love this. It feels really premium. So I think I should put this also, if possible. If possible, I'm not sure how to do that yet. So this is another thing I would want to do. Mm, I think that is it for the stream. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Thank you so much for joining in the stream. Thank you so much for chatting and supporting me. Bye. See you